Frog, frog, pound. Crab, crab, shell.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Hi. Hello. Welcome to class. Hi. What is your name?
Olivia.
Olivia. Did anybody say that's the most beautiful name ever? It is. I love that name. Olivia, how old are you?
6.
I am 6 years old.
I am 6 years old.
High five. Very good. Already whole sentences. Olivia, you are beautiful. Are you friends with Miss Annie?
Yes.
Oh, great. She's my friend too. We see each other 3 times a week. Very good. Is she your best friend?
Yes.
Oh, say Annie is my best friend.
Annie is my best friend.
Good. Why? Is she nice or mean?
She is nice.
Yes, very good answer. Good job. Miss Olivia, how many years have you been speaking English? 1 year? 2? 0? Your English is already very good. It sounds good. It sounds good. Do you speak English at school? Yes or no?
Yes.
You do? Do you love English?
Yes.
All right. Do you love to read?
Yes.
Yes, great. So do I. What do you like to read?
Rain.
Books? Do you like to read shoes? No.
Books.
Yeah, there you go. Good job. Very good. Are you ready to start the lesson?
Yes.
Great. Where do you live?
China.
That's right. Where do I live? You see it? United States. America. Can you say that? United States.
America.
That's right. Have you been to America? Yes or no?
No.
Oh, maybe someday. I have not been to China. Oh, boo. I want to go to China. Do you want to see America?
Yes.
Yes, we'll have to switch. You come here, I go there. Okay, Olivia, let's get started. Today, we are discussing the animal world. What does this say here? Animal.
Wow.
That's right, animal world. What do you see on this page?
Frog.
That's right, it's a frog. Let's make a real long sentence. It's a green frog in water. What do you see? Go ahead, make your very own. It's a flower, it's a frog, it's a leaf.
I see.
Frog and flower.
Flower.
Good job, very good. What color is the flower?
Is white and
Excellent. Very good. Is it ugly? No,
yeah,
do you think it's ugly or beautiful?
beautiful.
Yes, you could say no. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Good job, Olivia. What is your favorite animal?
Butterfly.
Oh, I love that. That's a really good one. Let's look it up real quick. Butterfly. Why do you like the butterfly? Because it's
Yes, it's beautiful.
great answer. Very good whole sentence. Okay, let's get started. First, we learn the words. Repeat after me. Frog.
Frog.
Frog. Frog.
Frog. Frog.
Good. Pond.
Pot.
Pond. Pond.
Pond. Pot.
Great. Very good. Where does frog live? In the pond.
Frog live in the pot.
Perfect. Wow, great sentence. Frog pond. Frog pond.
Frog pond. Frog pond.
What's that?
Frog.
Papa. Pond.
Pond.
Frog.
Frog.
Pond frog.
Pot frog.
Pond frog.
Pot frog.
Yeah, good. You're following very good directions. Good job. Next one. Crab.
Crab.
Shell.
Shell.
Crab and shell.
Crab and shell.
Perfect. Where are they? In the mountains or at the beach?
Beach.
Great job. They are at the beach.
They are at the beach.
Perfect whole sentence. That's how we play the game. Always whole sentences. Is this a happy shell or a sad shell?
Sad shell.
Yeah, so sad. What about the crab? Is it happy or sad?
Happy.
Yes, it's a happy crab.
It is a happy crab.
Perfect. Good. Can you read this word for me?
Eagle.
Yes, great. What about this?
Next.
Nest.
Nest.
Very good. What lives in a nest? A frog? Oh.
Eagle.
Yay! The eagle lives in the nest.
The eagle lives in the nest.
Perfection! Very good. Let's see if we remember. Let's see. You say Happy Wednesday. Say Happy Wednesday. Good job. What is one?
Nest.
What's in the nest?
Egg.
Yes. Number two.
Pot.
Yes. Very good. Three.
Shell.
Yes. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Whole sentences now. One is shell. Two is eagle. Three is crab.
Crab.
Good. Whole sentence. Three is crab.
Three is crab.
Let's make it four words. Three is red crab.
Three is red crab.
Three is red happy crab.
Three is red happy crab.
Good job. Now give me a sentence about the eagle. Two is... What is it? E.
Eagle.
What color?
Brown.
And
White and brown.
yes, the eagle is brown and white.
The eagle is white and brown.
Yay, you did it. Where is the teacher on the...
Shell.
Good job. Very good. What is number two?
Eagle.
Great. Number 3?
Frog.
Very good. Number 1?
Nest.
Very good. I wonder if you can remember nest, eagle, frog. Where was the eagle? 1, 2, or 3?
2.
Yes, number 2 is eagle.
Number 2 is eagle.
Perfect. Where was the nest? Number. Oh, it's a hard one. Was it this one? Oh, nope. Was it this one?
Number 1 is nest.
Yes! Very good. You did it by yourself. I was going to get it wrong. Tell me when to stop. When you say stop, I will stop. Go for it. Good. What's 3? 3.
Pod.
Yes, 2.
Nest.
Yes, what is this? It's a
frog.
in what color? It's a blank frog.
It's a green frog.
Yay, Olivia, you're smart. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Oh, good job. 1, 2, and 3. Go. 1 is
1 is
E.
eagle.
2.
2 is green frog.
Yes. 3.
3 is red clyde crab. Crab.
Yeah, you added extra words. Amazing. All right, next page. Now we will listen to the chant. Do you like to sing?
Yes.
Oh, great. So do I. It's my favorite thing to do. Let's sing the chant together. Let's first sing it like we're babies. Do you know how to talk like a baby? Let me hear you talk like a baby. Hi, teacher.
Hi, teacher.
Oh, hi, Olivia. Are you ready to sing like a baby?
Yes.
Okay, great. Let's sing together. Here we go.
Frog, frog, pond.
Frog, frog, pond. Good job.
Crab, crab, shell.
Your turn.
Crab. Shell.
Good.
Eagle, nest.
Eagle nest.
Eagle nest.
Eagle, nest.
Eagle nest.
Good.
Eagle, eagle, nest.
Eagle nest.
You're amazing. Very good. Now we will sing it like a boy. Frog, frog, pond. Ready?
Frog, frog, pound.
Frog. Pond.
Yes.
Crab, crab, shell.
Crab. Shell.
Right.
Eagle, nest. Eagle,
Eagle nest.
Eagle nest.
nest. Eagle, eagle, nest.
Eagle nest.
Eagle nest.
Good job. Very good. That was fun. Okay, now it's game time. What is number 1? First, let's talk about them. 1 is
1 is green frog.
yeah. 2 is
2 is green frog.
3 is
3 is pot.
4 is
4 is green frog.
yes. 5 is
5 is green frog.
so what goes here? 6. What's this?
Pond.
Yes, very good. The next is pond. Excellent job. Let's do it together. Green frog, pond, green frog, pond.
Green frog, pond. Green frog, pond.
Yes, very good. How do you spell pond? Pond. P, p.
P.
What letter is that? P.
P.
A.
O.
N.
N.
D. D. D.
D.
Yes, pond. Great spelling. Oh my gosh, you're amazing, Olivia. Okay, let's talk about the pictures. One is
Shell.
two.
Shell. 2 is nest. 3 is nest. 4 is shell. 5 is nest. 6 is nest.
Yeah, you did it. I was going to say shell. Very good. You did it better than me. Very good. Okay, we're going to do some sentences now. Now, when we do this part of the lesson, we want whole sentences for every part, okay?
Okay.
That makes us have speaking and talking practice, so we get real good at it. So, Miss Olivia, where is the eagle? You can look way down here for some help. Way at the bottom. It's
in the nest.
excellent. Very good. Can you ask me? Say, Kristine, where is?
Where is the eagle?
It's in the nest. Good job, Olivia. Next one. Where is the frog? It's in what?
No picture.
Oh, you don't see it? Hold on. Let's fix that. Can you see it now?
Yes.
Oh, good. Phew. Where is the frog?
It's in a pond.
Very good. Excellent. Now ask me, Kristine, where?
Where is the frog?
It's in the pond. Next page. Where is the crab?
It's in a shell.
Very good. Ask me, Kristine.
Where is the crab?
It's in the shell. Olivia, where is the teacher? It's
On a shell.
good. Where is the teacher? She's
She's
under.
She's under leaf.
Very good. Where is the crab and the leaf? Where are they? Are they at the mountain, the beach?
They are in a beach.
Very good. Very good, Olivia. Great. Where is the frog?
It's in the pond.
Good job. Can you ask me a question?
What is the frog?
Where is?
Where is the frog?
The frog is in the pond. Where are the children? Are they at home or school? They are
We are
at.
at school.
Perfect. Very good. Next one. You're doing so good here. Where? You ask me. You ask. Kristine, where?
Where is the eagle?
It's in the mountain. Is that right?
No.
Oh, where is the eagle? Where?
It's in the nest.
Oh, good goodness gracious. Good. Thank you for helping me. Okay, ask me again. I hope I get it right. Where?
Where is the crab?
It's on the shell. Yes?
No,
What is it?
it's under the shell.
Oh, Kristine, wrong again. And Miss Olivia. Very good. Okay, ask me again.
Where is the duck?
The duck is swimming in Olivia's bathtub. Yeah?
No,
Wow! Where is the duck?
the duck is the duck is in the pond.
Yeah, there you go. Good job. You like to laugh too. I love it. Okay, so now we've got this really cool picture with animals. First, let's talk about the animals we see. What do you see in the whole picture?
Flower,
Frog,
frog,
and
turtle, butterfly.
very good. So now let's just ask each other some fun questions. Okay, so let's see. Let me erase this part here. Olivia, where is the butterfly?
It's on a flower.
Yes, very good. Ask me, Kristine.
Where is the flower?
Ooh, one flower or three flowers?
One flower.
This one right here?
Yes.
Okay. The flower is in the center of the screen and in the pond. Well, it's actually on the pond. On the pond. Olivia, where is the word role play? Above the. Where is it? Up there.
There.
Is it above the flower?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, we have some new words to practice. Good. Get your hand out. Show me your hand. Okay, show me above your head. Say above,
Above,
below,
below,
next to,
next to,
behind,
behind,
above,
up,
below,
below,
next to,
next to,
behind.
behind.
Show me above. Show me. Show me right here, above. Yeah. Show
Above.
me next to. Yeah. Show me on your nose. On your nose. In your nose. Ah! Under your chin. Yeah, good job. Above your shoulders. Tell me, teacher, show me.
Teacher, show me under you, behind.
Good. Another one, show me.
Show me under your
Chin.
mouth.
Oh, right here, my chin. Good job. It's under. Very good. Okay, so now let's go back to this. Where is the words role play? Above above the flower.
Above the flower.
Good. Where is the turtle? It's on.
The
Good job. Where is the butterfly? Above. Above
above
the flower.
the flower
Good job. Where is my finger?
is in your mouth.
Good. Where is my finger?
Is
On
your kiss.
chin. Chin. Good job, Olivia. Yes. Okay, here we go. Last part. Where is my little thing? Where's the heart?
Is on turtle back.
Yes. Wow. Where's the heart now?
Is on flower.
Yes. Very good. Where is it now? It's swimming somewhere. Where's it swimming?
It's under. It's under
The leaf.
the
Leaves.
leaves.
That's right. Or we can say it's on the pond or in the pond. Very great job. Okay, let's talk one more thing here. Where is the bee? On.
Is on the
This is a weird word. Hive.
hive.
Yes, this is where the bees live. They live in a hive. Miss Olivia, how many stars do you have? I'll help you. 196. Woohoo! Amazing! Amazing! Oh, Princess Olivia, you get a crown today. A crown with some hearts. Yeah. Hearts for doing so amazing. Here you are. Let's put a beautiful dress. Your arms, your eyes. Now you are on the computer. Very, very, very good. Yeah, you clap your hands for you. That's great, honey. Good job. Good work. I'm proud of you. Right, 28 minutes and you learned so much. I hope to see you soon. Good job.
Bye.
Bye. See you soon. Good job. Have a